Hey guys, so welcome to Delph Stack. This is how to disable appearing chat in Messenger. So guys, if you ever found yourself in a situation where when someone message you, a chat head will pop up into your phone and it keeps distracting you. Now, in order for you to disable this feature, you just have to simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, here on the Messenger app, you can just simply go for the menu on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, here on the menu, you can just simply go ahead and tap on the settings to go to your settings. Now, over here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit until you see over here chat heads. So here guys, if you have your chat heads turned on, a person who message you will automatically pop up on your phone and it will appear through the chat. Now you will just simply turn this off. Another option, if you have appearing chat on the notification, you could also turn off the notification over here, or you could do a filter which you can turn on and off specific notification features over here, and mostly this will be based on your own personal preferences, but here you can change it and you can go ahead and disable appearing chat, and there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.